Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I'm going to show you how you can easily find duplicates at your photos and then how you can easily merge or delete them. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So let's begin, and first open up your Photos app. Then you should get into Albums first, and then just scroll down to the very bottom where you can find this duplicates option. You can just get into it and it shows you all the duplicates from your photo gallery. And right from here you can first tap on each photo. As you can see, these photos are almost similar, so I can easily remove one of them or I can merge them. So in order to remove duplicates, you can hit right here at select, and then you can check mark some photos in that way, and then hit at that trash icon to delete those photos. Also, you can do it easily right from here by hitting on merge. You can just hit on that to merge two exact copies of the same file. I'm just gonna hit on that, and that's it. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial, and also I recommend you to check out my iPhone tutorials playlist, which you can easily find in the description. Hit the like button if you liked that video, and see you in the next one.